The Galaxy S25, which marks the 16th anniversary of Samsung's Galaxy S series, is expected to launch soon. The previous model, the Galaxy S24, improved a lot and added new AI features. The S25 is likely to be even better, with more advanced technology. There's a rumor from October 2023 about the Galaxy S25's price. It might have a new, more powerful chip called the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which could make the phone more expensive. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's price went up by $100, but the regular S24 and S24 Plus stayed the same. This rumor suggests that the price of the basic Galaxy S model could increase starting with the S25. Samsung usually announces their new models in January, so we expect to see the S25 in January 2025. We don't know much about the Galaxy S25 series yet, but they're probably going to look similar to the previous models. The S25 and S25 Plus will likely look alike, and the S25 Ultra might look like the S24 Ultra, unless Samsung decides to change the design. The S24 Ultra had a very flat screen, so if there are changes, the S25 Ultra might have round edges and a completely flat front, but there's no solid information about this yet. The cameras in the Galaxy S25 series could get a big upgrade. A rumor from December 2023 says that Samsung might use Sony camera sensors in the S25 and S25 Plus, replacing their own ISO-cell sensors. This would be a big change, similar to when they upgraded from a 12-megapixel to a 50-megapixel camera in the Galaxy S22. The S25 Ultra is expected to still use Samsung's ISO-cell sensors. Samsung usually updates at least one camera feature each year, so we might see improvements in the ultra-wide or zoom cameras in the S25 Ultra. Samsung often uses different types of processors in their phones depending on where they are sold. They use the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip everywhere in the Galaxy S23 series, but went back to using both Exynos and Snapdragon chips in different regions for the S24 series. The S25 series is expected to do the same. There are rumors that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip will be made by TSMC and will be very powerful, scoring over 10,000 in the Geekbench 6 multicore test. This score is a lot higher than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the Galaxy S24 series and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, meaning the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 would be a big step up in speed. I hope you found the video interesting. If you liked it, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. I'd love to hear your opinions, so please share them in the comments. Until the next video, take care and goodbye.